Now, Australians are expected to spend almost $1 billion this Christmas on home security systems as they try to protect their properties against thieves. Today, tech expert Trevor Long joins me now, looking resplendent.
It's Christmas.
Trev, of course. The jacket's out. You have got so much tech here.
Yeah.
How difficult are these systems to install?
They're not very hard at all. And research by Ring, who make a lot of these cameras, says 35% of Aussies are looking to get a security system this summer. So basically, they are plug and play. So this tiny little thing here, Sam, this is an Arlo. This is battery operated, connects to your Wi-Fi network. You just need to mount it on the wall, which is 1 or 2 screws. It is so easy to do. They just connect to your Wi-Fi system. And there are so many brands that do this stuff. Now, this new one from Swann here is a little bit more extreme. It's for people with big properties, so it has much more range. So this thing could be hundreds of metres away from your house and still give you security surveillance. And they're all accessible via an app. So you just set up the cameras, and then on your app you get notifications. Did someone come to your home? Yeah. Who's there? Look at the video wherever you are. Very useful.
It's amazing, isn't it? Video doorbells often go viral. We see these, but they're actually a huge part of home security.
They are. And again, all the big brands have them. And the great thing here is that they are, again, plug and play. So you don't need wires in your home or anything like that. You just put them on your door. And then what happens is if someone rings your doorbell, wherever you are, at home or at work or somewhere else in the country, it rings on your phone. You can actually just have like a phone conversation with the person at your door. This one from Swann has AI built in, and I've tested this. It's not brilliant, but it's pretty cool. If you're not home, press the button. An AI voice answers, and you can train it to say certain things. Like if the person says, I've got a package, you can tell it, oh, leave it down to the left of the door. Very, very cool.
Amazing. What about inside the home? Are there specific models for indoors?
There are, because they don't need to be weatherproof. They don't need to be...
And these are all weatherproof?
They're all weatherproof, yeah. So these ones here, for example, these have cables, because you can plug them into the wall. So there's a lot of these. These are well under $200, so they're much more affordable. Blink is a new brand on the market. This is a Uniden that you can kind of zoom around the home. And this one from Arlo has a little privacy shield on it, so that white there means the camera's not on. So you can have the confidence that there's no one looking in when you're home. That only opens up when you're not home and you're security monitoring the house.
What about changing or replacing batteries?
It's one of the big fears people have. The battery's going to go dead, it's a pain, all that kind of stuff. You've got to remember that you can get solar panels for these things. So this one from Uniden comes with a solar panel, and you can get accessory solar panels for pretty much all of them. So that keeps it charged and powered all the time. This one from Amazon, the Blink, has a 2-year battery, they claim, which is pretty awesome. And this one from Arlo is a floodlight that is wired. So you get an electrician to wire that in, and then you never need to worry about the battery, but you've still got all of those cool, smart, app-based features in a security camera.
Yeah, it's cheap for the product, $1 gazillion for the electrician.
Yeah, but they've got to be done right. It's got to be done according to standards.
Get an electrician, and if you can find a reasonably priced one, well done. Trev, great to see you.
Pleasure.
Love the jacket. We'll see you soon. Here's Dad.
I just said they're cute and